My name is Cadet Captain Vedant Krushal, and we are gathered here for the National Unity Day, a day that reminds us of strength and harmony found in a diversity. As a cadet of LNCT College, we embody the spirit of discipline and commitment to our nation. Unity is a strength in a world where difference often divide. We stand together, embracing our unique backgrounds and perspectives. The NCC teaches us to work as a team, fostering camaraderie and mutual respect. This unity is not just about standing together, it is about understanding and supporting each other as every endeavor.
Hello everyone, I am leading cadets Sanjeev. Let us march forward and remember our diversity is our greatest asset. Each of us brings something valuable to our table, whether it's academics or sports or any community services. Together, we can overcome any challenges and achieve our goals. On this Unity Day, let's reaffirm our commitment to uphold the values of services. Let's work hand in hand to build a brighter future for our college and our for community and our for nation. Thank you and Jai Hind.